Welcome back to Campbell Kitchen, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy healthy side dish of roasted cauliflower. Start off with some parsley, some black oil cured olives, some roasted almonds, and some preserved lemon. If you don't have preserved lemon, you can just substitute regular lemon zest. And we have a head of beautiful cheddar cauliflower. You can also use different colored cauliflower. I'm using this orange cauliflower because it looks beautiful and it's the perfect size for 2 people. Now we're going to make thick slices right down the center. As you can see, you want flat sides because the flatter the side, the better sear you're going to get. So those smaller chunks of cauliflower, just cut them right down the middle and you're going to roast those as well. So that's our whole head of cauliflower right there. Now let's prep the other ingredients. For the almonds, I'm cutting them in thirds, or you can cut them in halves if you'd like. I like thirds, so I just cut them one by one. You just need a handful of almonds. And there's your beautiful almond slices. For the olives, what you're going to do is remove the pit. There's a pit in these oil-cured olives. Now, these are not the black pearl olives. Don't get it mistaken. These are beautiful oil-cured olives. You remove the pit, tear them a little bit, and that's all you need to do. Now, for preserved lemons, these are lemons that have been soaked in salt and spices for 2 years. These are actually ones that I did at my house, but you can just buy them at the store. They're usually soaked in salt water. You remove all the guts, and you're going to use the peel. Now, once you have the peel, what you're going to do is cut it in thin strips and soak it in water. Soaking it in water is going to remove some of the salt, and it's really going to allow that complex lemon flavor to shine. Now, our next step is going to be to sear the cauliflower. So I get a big skillet. I have a paella pan, but anything that's large enough to hold the cauliflower single layer. Add a good amount of oil, medium-high heat, and drop your cauliflower in. Now, it's going to take about 5 minutes or so. You want to make sure you get dark, crusty color. You don't want light color. You want nice, dark, and crusty. This is not going to be cooked in the oven at all. It's all done on the stovetop. Go ahead and give it a flip and get the same color on the other side. You want it really, really dark on both sides. That gives it a nice, beautiful, caramelized color, a little smoky color, really complex. Use your cake tester, make sure it's tender. If you do need to go in the oven, go ahead and go in the oven, but you don't want them to be sliced so thick that they're not going to cook on the stovetop. You want them about 1/2 inch thick, really nice color. Remove them from the pan. It's time to plate up. Now I just plate this up in a small little side dish because I'm actually going to serve this as a side dish, but this could be an entree dish if you'd like. I'm keeping it very simple, and I'm just going to add the ingredients that I prepared directly over the top. You can always use different shapes of almonds or different kinds of olives, different kinds of lemon, different cuts of lemon, different herbs, whatever you like. This is just something super simple that I had in my pantry. I add a little parsley, some of those beautiful preserved lemon peels, finish it with a little fresh, grassy olive oil, a nice squeeze of Meyer lemon, and then a little crunchy salt, and you have a beautiful side dish or a quick little snack. If you guys enjoyed the content, leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos coming next week.